Alright guys, so here is the final finished product. As you can see, I cut it at an angle and asymmetrical. Yes. Red for the win because it is fall time, so I feel like reds, browns, dark chocolates, or dark blondes are totally good fall winter hair colors. And of course blacks never go out of style. So yeah guys, this style can be super versatile. You don't have to just do it at this angle. You can actually even it completely out so that it, like, I could actually, if I want to, I can cut it at this angle and it'll still be super cute. Or I can just like leave this much long and probably maybe cut this side so that way I can flip from side to side to have the same, like, even if I flip over here now, it's not gonna give me, like, it's definitely gonna be uneven, but not totally uneven. Like, I mean, it can somewhat kind of work, maybe. I don't know. Can y'all tell the difference? But see, it's only like that part, you can tell. So yeah, it's all the way that you cut it and how versatile that you want it to be. Or you can wear it back like this, have this part pent back, and of course, I mean, you still gonna have that angle because of the way that I cut it. But I feel like this is, of course, how y'all always know what I say. I feel like this is a great fall look, especially if you do not like longer styles, or you just want to switch it up for something different, and you don't necessarily want the long twists or the long locks or whatnot. You can do something short. So yes, I like the shorter passion twist way more than I like the shorter locks. If you guys have not checked out that video, I recommend it. As a matter of fact, I will put it up here and in the description box. Y'all see that video and how much of a, to me, a disaster it was. So yeah, And I typically pick up the 1-pack type of styles because I feel like it's just so much easier. You can find this at your local beauty supply store, or you can order it off of Amazon. I will also put that link down below if you would like to know where you can find hair if you don't see it in your local beauty supply store. And that's pretty much it, guys. So as usual, I appreciate you guys so much, so much. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.